SDG goals. The context is our Prime Minister in the G20 summit recently said that the progress in SDGs seemed to be slowing down, and in this space, we shall only be able to address only 50% of the total targets that we have assigned for SDGs. Now, this is a concern, which brings me to the discussion: what is sustainable development in first place? So, the concept of sustainable development came down by the Brundtland Commission report, which was published in 1987, which defines sustainable development as a kind of development which not only secures the need of present generation but also secures the need of future generation. Now we needed a global effort to pursue sustainable development. So first such effort came from Millennium Development Goal. This was established in 2000 and it had some 8 goals, and it also said that we shall only be pursuing halfway targets, which means if I'm talking about reducing poverty, I do not want statistical zero poverty. I only want 50% reduction in the current poverty. Also, one limitation of MDG was that it only talked about having a top to bottom approach while pursuing sustainable development. So in order to counter these shortcomings of MDGs came the Sustainable Development Goal from the Rio 20 Plus Summit in the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development in the year 2012. Now this said that we shall be revamping Millennium Development Goals. So Millennium Development had the span from 2000 to 2050, and from 2015 we shall be pursuing SDGs till 2030. Now, how are they different from MDGs? They are different because they are statistical zero targets. So, if I am saying zero hunger, it means statistical zero hunger by 2030. Alright. Also, it facilitated down to or bottom to up approach. Unlike the MDGs, it had broader indicators and broader goals. The coverage was also wide. For example, it covered about 231 indicators across 17 broad goals. What was the basic tenet? The basic tenet was to have a convergence around the 3 important pillars. These 3 important pillars are environmental conservation, along with social security or nurturing community, along with economic sufficiency. So at the convergence lies the sustainable development goals. Now, where does India currently stand? This is discussed in this particular article. Author says that India has a mixed approach. It shows a mixed picture. Why? Because about 17 on 33 total targets are on target. They are on their track, but others are off tracks. So basically, India is faring as a mixed picture.